Granddaughter's birthday right around the corner. I thought I would try a children's book. I got this blank book with watercolor paper pages. So my big idea was Bernadette sees some letters, and so Bernadette's going to be that cat, and I didn't really have a plan or anything, but it just made sense to have a cat looking at a wheelbarrow with a big R in it, and so after that first cat coat dried, then I went in with a darker color, trying to, establish details or maybe, personality of all things. And, I thought, oh, why don't I just do a plot of ground underneath them, And so I put some green underneath, and then I thought, hey, how about a little cloud? And then after I did that, I said, oh, how about we put a little smile in the cloud? Anyway, so that's about as far as we got, and started to add some more details here and there, and I got a bright idea to have a house in the background, so I like to have little doodads and thing. There's a bird there I thought would be good on the right corner, and then went in with some darker colors, just hoping to reinforce the illustration of the cat. And what do you think? Is Bernadette a good name for a cat? It just popped into my mind, and that's it.